Guys, this is Gail with Mosquito Joe, Gulf Coast, Alabama. And as you're preparing for Halloween and getting all your boxes out, we thought we'd talk to you a little bit about spider and spider control. We want to give you some tips on how you can prevent spiders from getting in your house and being bothersome. The first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure to declutter inside your home. Particularly pay attention to corners that you're not really getting into very often, because they're gonna like to be in undisturbed areas. So make sure get everything cleaned up, get rid of your spider webs. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is seal them, prevent them from coming in. So on your doorways and your windows, you can do weather stripping and also caulking if there's any kind of gaps on the outside of the home. That will prevent them from getting in. Next, you wanna go outside. When you're outside, you want to clean up any kind of debris that is around the perimeter of your home. So if you have firewood or leaves that are all up and touching, you want to move those away from the home. They really like to be in that kind of debris, so that'll prevent them from breeding right there. Consistency is key, so you want to do these things on a routine basis 4 to 6 times a year. If you need added help, you can always reach out to us and we can provide you treatments to prevent the spiders from ever getting into your home. As always, we don't have contracts, so that's a good thing. And if you like these tips and tricks, we have more, so make sure to subscribe below.